Welcome dear viewers to the UPDF's YouTube channel. In this video, you will discover how to convert scanned PDF to text on Windows. With this, you will save precious time, making your scanned documents more accessible and enhance your productivity. Before starting, head to the video description and click the link given to download UPDF. Now, after UPDF is set up on your PC, let's dive into the steps performed in this video. These steps will help you convert scanned PDF to text on Windows. Launch UPDF. Hit the Open File option to import the scanned PDF. Click the Recognize Text using OCR button. Following this, adjust the customization options as needed. Afterward, click the Perform OCR button and save the file to complete the OCR process successfully. Then select the Export PDF option. Select Text from the extended menu. As the Options menu open, set the page range. Then click the Export button and save the file on Windows PC. Before you leave, like the video, subscribe to the channel and press the notification button. That way you will get a notification for our future updates, and we will see you in another helpful review soon.